Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got some epic news for all you industrial maintenance gurus, reliability champions, and curious onlookers. Buckle up, because the mobile app just got a major update. And trust me, it's a game changer. Today, I'm really stoked to tell you all about Augury's new mobile app update. It is designed to quite literally put machine health insights in the palm of your hand. I'm going to give you the full scoop on the new machine page, which is an at-a-glance hub for machine health and real-time data. The events tab, which is your go-to spot to keep track of important alerts and comments and collaborate with our analysts. The third is logging repairs and observations on the fly, right next to the machine. Plus, I've got a few hidden benefits, so make sure you watch until the end. Let's go. All right. First up is the machine page. Now, technicians can literally stand next to a machine, pull out their phone, open up the Augury app, and boom, you've got an entire snapshot of the machine's health status right in front of you. So what's new? The first is updated health status navigation. At a glance, you can see if a machine is healthy, in warning, or danger. This color-coded status helps you prioritize which assets need attention first. The second is live time series data. Want to see how your machine's vibration and temperature changed over the last few hours? It is now all available. Perfect for those quick spot checks on the plant floor. Third is respond to a machine health alert. If the app flags a fault detection, you can immediately add notes, comments, or log repairs. Instead of waiting to get back to your desk, you can deal with it, log the repair, and dramatically reduce response times. And finally, sort and review machines by health status. Say you're in a large facility, sorting through hundreds of machines. Now, you can filter through to the machines that need your attention and tackle the biggest problems first. Next, let's talk about the events tab. This is where the app practically becomes your personal maintenance assistant. First, view fault details and prescriptive actions. When a fault is detected, the event card shows you everything you need, from diagnostic info to recommended next steps. No guesswork required. Second, you can add comments and replies. The conversation doesn't have to wait for an email. You can drop it in your observations, ask specific questions, or tag your colleagues directly from the app. Anything you log goes directly to your analysts, helping them give you targeted advice sooner. Third is filter and search. Sort through events by health updates, repairs, or observations. This way, you can find that one specific event you need in seconds. No more endless scrolling. And fourth, you can upload photos and videos. Ever had trouble explaining a weird noise? Or maybe you might have taken a motion amplification video that you want your analyst to look at. Now you can snap a photo, record a video, and attach it to the event as a comment. Next, logging repairs and observations in the app. You just replace the bearing or tighten a belt. Instead of trudging back to your workspace to note the repair, you can now log it on the spot. Add repair details, information like parts used, time taken, or anomalies you found. Attach files like photos, videos, maybe a quick clip of the repaired part, all stored safely in the events record. You can also log additional observations like an oil analysis report, an inquiry on the health condition of your machine, or any other types of observations. By capturing these details immediately while you're next to the machine, you reduce the risk of forgetting any key insights, and your entire team stays in the loop. So why is this so important? First, faster response times. With all of the data you need at your fingertips, you can identify and address faults quickly. You have better collaboration. Comments, photos, and videos from your phone go straight to analysts. This empowers on-the-go maintenance teams. Whether you're in the next building over or you're traveling between sites, you will stay connected to your asset health at all times. And that's a wrap. Download or update your Augury app from the Google Play or Apple App Store and start streamlining your work today. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out to your Augury rep. Until next time, see ya.